Now, aerator will beat you up. I'm just gonna be real with
Hmm.
you. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it in the end. Now, as far as I would suggest, you just pay somebody to come do
Which is what I did.
it. Yeah, that's what I've been doing the last 2 seasons because I just it I got 17,500 square feet, so I'm not doing that no more. I'm not doing that no more. So the best thing is to rent one. Now, if you want to get one of those hand aerators, that's fine. But before you use an aerator, the best thing you need to do is make sure that your lawn or your soil has been watered a couple of days before it's actually aerated. Because if you aerate hard ground, it's just going to bounce up and down. You're not
Yeah.
going to get those 2, 3 inch plugs. And if you're in Georgia, you may not even get those type of plugs. But anything over an inch, that's good. But make sure you water it in. Another advice, nothing to do with aerator, but that's the best time to put down your fertilizer to get it to go down in the soil. So after aeration, put your fertilizer